Hey everybody, me again, Tanner, Practical Paracord. In today's video, it's gonna be something easy and cool. I'm still with the bowling pins, y'all. You get a new toy, you gotta play with it, you know what I mean? But I'm gonna try to hit all 10 of them. And we're just gonna see how long it takes, y'all. You know, just regular old slinging, knocking down some bowling pins. It's a hit, I'll take it. Ooh, that's a good one. Oh. 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 Ah! Oh, 2 for 1, baby. All right, y'all. That took 6:06. 6 minutes. It took me a while. But look, y'all. Yeah, look at my rocks. Look at the rocks I'm slinging with a Smiling Sling that's made for baseballs. From baseballs to these little big things. You know what I'm saying? If I'd have pulled out my slim sling, I think it would have been a little bit better. But hey, whatever. But all right, y'all. You know, another storage issue. But yeah, like I said, I'm using the Smiling Sling, you know, which is a pretty decent sized pouch, you know, with a small rock like this. You know, the accuracy ain't the best, but as you can tell, you can make it work, y'all. Damn. All right, y'all. I'm gonna get that after the video. I'm almost out of minutes. But anyway, okay. This ain't that far. I mean, I'm like maybe 10 meters, y'all. Real close shot. Not shooting far. But when you're shooting far, I said it before and I'll say it again. When you're throwing, just try to either throw the knot, which is what y'all hear all the time. But think about a whip and try to hit the end of the target with your cracker. You know, think about it like that and it might help out a little bit. Hope y'all like what y'all seen today. If y'all did, don't forget to like, subscribe, tell a friend, and when you do, tell them that notification bell.
Practical Paracord, hey, you don't wanna miss it. Keep you entertained. You know that we talking slinging. Catch 'em in Louisiana, Sling King. Find 'em down south, slinging giants like it's David and Goliath. Make sure you subscribe now. All the slinging techniques, slinging so hard I could kill a beast. Come and check me. Hey, I know that you gon' like it for sure. Make sure that you tune in to Practical Paracord. Let's go.